insert interval, right? So we are given a non-overlapping interval where interval start and I represent the start and end of ith interval, and intervals is sorted in ascending order. Okay, so it is already sorted, right? Already sorted. You are also given an interval, new interval, okay, start and end, that represents the start of another interval. Insert new interval, okay. So we're given an interval and we have to uh, add this interval on top of this, right? So 1 comma 3 and this 2. So we need to merge 1 comma 3 and 2 comma 5, which would be 1 comma 5 and 6 comma 9. Okay, so 1 comma set 2. So we are trying to insert 4 comma 8. So this will be 4, 3 comma 10 actually, 3 comma 10. Okay, right? Because we're inserting 4 comma 8. So 4 is less than 5, so this will be included. So the maximum keeps on going up, up, up. Okay, okay. Yeah, so what we can do is uh, look at this number. So let's say merged equals to this, right? So for, actually let's do this, I equals to 0, while I is less than len of intervals, and intervals at I is I, and the interval that I'm currently looking at and is less than new INTER interval at 0, right? So the current interval that I'm looking at, 1 comma 3, is it, so the end of the interval that I'm currently looking at is less than 2, right? If it is, then what do I want to do? Merge dot append of intervals at I, okay? And then I plus equals to 1, right? So insert interval is inserted. Keep on inserting the interval. Now in this, at this point, we found an interval which end is less than, is greater than or equals to uh, the new interval. So what I want to do is, while I is less than len of intervals, INTER intervals, and intervals intervals was at I at 0 is, um, so the current interval that I'm looking at is uh, less than new int interval at 1, right? And then new interval equals to, at 0 equals to min of new interval at 0, comma interval at I at 0, right? Minimum of this, or, and new interval at this is max of this max and this interval max, right? And then I plus equals to 1, okay? After all of this, we found a solution which is the merge interval. So mer gd merge dot append of new INTER. So I made a typo over here, over here, over here, over here. Okay, new interval, right? And then now, while I is less than intervals, what I want to do is merged dot append of INDER real intervals at I, and then I plus equals to 1, and return merged merged. Okay, so here we are appending all the interval which comes before our new interval, right? And after appending all of that before interval. And here is the merging part where we are merging all the interval that are within the are mergeable, right? So we are merging it. So we are appending the merged interval on our result merge array. So and then we are appending all the intervals that comes after our new interval. Okay, sounds right. And okay, intervals is not defined. Append. Okay, yeah, typo. Okay, so submit again. Okay, so in this problem, you can see 1 comma 2, 3 comma 8, and 8 and 8, right? So I am inserting this, and it just happens that uh, I didn't merge all the interval that are mergeable. So interval at 0 is not less than and equals to, right? So if my current interval start is less than or equals to my new interval end, then I have to merge it, right? So go over there again, submit it, pass, right? So I'm merging all the interval which is less than or equals to, right?